Wow. Put these away later. Yo, what's up? I'm back. I got my trusty pocket knife. Don't use one of these without parents' permission. I have my parents' permission to use one of these. You mind, by the way. This is probably the most sharpest pocket knife I've ever seen. Look at it. It's satisfying. This is easy tape. Easy work. Oh, I messed up. Oh, I'm cutting the box. Hang on, other side. Let's see what's in this bad boy box. Oh, it's something soft. Just got it open. Oh wait, I think this looks like a chair. I'm gonna take this piece out. It's stuck. Oh my gosh, it's a chair. I realized because it's soft. Alright, I'll be right back when this is all sorted on the floor and we can start putting this together. So we got all the parts set up here. We already kind of were figuring this out. I'm not sure how it's gonna work. And now we're gonna do the wheels since I almost hit my face. Let's go, let's do this. So the wheels, if you're ever doing this, the wheels just... So we got 3 pieces already on, which is we got the wheels. Nice. And now we're gonna try to put this bottom, like the back piece onto the bottom piece. So what you do is you screw it in, and then you use the Allen key to finish the job. Hit time lapse. Okay, so now we're gonna apply this top onto the bottom. Be right back. Wow guys, this chair is so high. Cameraman, come and put some weight on it so we can lower it. So instead of getting off this, which is boring, I'm just gonna move my way over on this high chair since it's actually fun to move over. Let's see. Oh, perfect. I think this table is a little bit too low though for this chair. But I think we're good. So guys, that's gonna wrap it up for unboxing the HON office chair. You can get one of these at Amazon. And it's with Prime, so it comes like soon, not in like 2 months, which no one likes. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. I'll see you later. Bye!